Welcome. Let's learn phrasal verbs for daily use.
Cram in. Cram into.
Meaning, to push a lot of things into a very small space. Example: Billy tried to see how many chocolates he could cram into his mouth at once.
Blot up. Blot up.
Meaning, to remove a liquid from a surface by gently pressing a cloth, paper on it. Example: Use a kitchen towel to blot up any excess liquid.
Boot out. Boot out.
Meaning, to force someone to leave a place, job, or organization. Example: He has just been booted out of his apartment for not paying his rent.
Box up. Box up.
Meaning, to put things into boxes. Example: It took 2 hours to clean the house and box up the toys.
Dust down. Dust off.
Meaning, to remove dirt or dust from something, using your hands or brush. Example: He got up off the ground and dusted down his trousers.
Fill up. Fill up.
Meaning, to make a container full by putting liquid or other things in it. Example: Can I fill up your glass? Fill up the basket with apples.
Empty out. Empty out.
Meaning, to remove everything from inside a container. Example: I emptied out the shopping bags and put everything away.
Doze off. Doze off.
Meaning, to fall asleep, usually for a short time, when you didn't intend to. Example: I'm sorry, I have dozed off while working.
Goof off. Goof off.
Meaning, to waste time, to be idle. On Saturday afternoons, I like to go to a movie or just get off at home. Some of the workers in our office always get off when the boss is out.
Blimp out. Blimp out.
Meaning, to become fat. During my first year in college, I totally blimped out from eating so much junk food.
keep after, keep after.
Meaning, to remind constantly, to nag. Example, Linda always has to keep after her children about cleaning up their rooms. Ben is so forgetful that it is necessary to keep after him about every little thing.
Cordon off, cordon off.
Meaning, to put something around an area, to stop people from going into it. Example, police have cordoned off the street where the murder took place.
Crease up, crease somebody up.
Meaning, to laugh a lot, to make someone laugh a lot. Example, he could imitate anybody, and always made the others crease up.
Deal out, deal out.
Meaning, to give playing cards to each of the players in a game. Example, he began dealing out the cards.
Dish up, dish up.
Meaning, to put food onto plates, so that it is ready to eat. Example, can you dish up the vegetables? They are on the sideboard.
Flag down, flag down.
Meaning, to make a vehicle stop by waving at its driver. Example, I went outside and flagged down a taxi.
Good job. Believe yourself and remember, YouTube videos and practice have taught me all I know.
Thanks for watching.